So good morning friends, and we are from Team Aaron, and we are in the series of tutorials of easy way to learn the cascading style sheets and styling your web page by using the CSS. So in this video we will be learning about called outline. So if you are aware of border, if you learned it from our previous videos, so the border can be outlined. Suppose here I have the border for my h1 tag, so here you can see the border, and let me add a semicolon, and the border, something, there is a tag called outline. It's similar to the outline is similar to nothing but the something like border, so it will be having the outline color, outline style, outline width, and outline it also has the shorthand property. So the shorthand property is outline, and similar to the border, the first value is the width of the outline, the second value is the type of the outline, something called dotted, and the third value is the color of the outline. So let me give it green. So here you can see there is a green color outline for my border. So this is the another way to add the styles to our web page. So next we will be seeing the text formatting tags. Suppose here I have the second paragraph. This is the second paragraph, that is a p tag in italic. So here let me add some text formatting tags, text formatting attributes to this text in my paragraph with a class name called para, which I created in my first video of this tutorial, right? So there are several attributes. There are so many attributes to be learned, but we shall discuss the most important ones. Something called a text trans. So here you can see, you can just type the text in the bracket software, and you will be getting all the text attributes: text align, text gloss, text decoration. So text decoration is nothing but something called overline, underline. So let me give some underline, so you can see the text is underlined, and you can even change the text to uppercase. That is called text transform. If you capitalize, the first letter in the each word will be capital. Suppose you can see that this, here we can see the T in this, I in is, second S in second, P in paragraph are capitalized. You can completely change, you can change the text complete to the uppercase by using the uppercase value. This complete text is changed to the uppercase. And next, we have the text indent, which indicates the initial letter of the text. So the text indent, here the text indent, and you can add some styles to the text indent. Suppose we give the 50 pixel, so the first letter of the text will be starting after the 50 pixel. So this is the text indent tag. And next we can add even the letter spacing. Here we can see the letter spacing, something called 2 pixel. So the letters are separated by 2 pixel, and you can have the line height and the direction of the text, whether it is from right to left or left to right. And the word spacing, we have similar to the letter spacing, we have something called word spacing. Word spacing, something, give it some 2 pixel. Again, the words are now spaced 2 pixel apart. And we have so many tags with the text formatting tags. Just type the text and practice, experiment with all the available attributes in the brackets. So next to the text formatting, we have fonts formatting. So in the strictly speaking about the fonts will be of two types: the generic type, which there are three types of generics in the fonts. Sorry to say, three types of generics. One is serif, and another one is, let me remember. Yes, the another one is sans serif, and the next one is monospace. So the serif will have some set of font family, the well famous Times New Roman, Georgia. They all belong to the serif family. And the sans serif family consists of Arial, Vedena, and many more. And the monospace generic family consists of the Courier, New Console, something like that. Suppose I want to change the font family of this is the second paragraph. Type the font, and here is the tag called font family. And in the font family, you can change it to the first value should be your family name, that is Times New Roman. So the first value is Times New Roman, and the next value separated by comma should be the family name, that is Times, and the next one can separated by the generic name, that is Serif. Suppose you want to change the Times New Roman to font family to something called Arial. Sans serif is a um, generic name, and you can specify the particular name, something called uh, here we can see fantasy, monospace. These are all generic names. So this is the way to change the font family of the uh, CSS,